Hola! Hey everybody! Baron and Brent Bruno, Professionals FIJI Real Estate. Look at that view! And look at this beautiful red hibiscus flower right here in front of you. Beautiful tropical jungles, and guess where we are? If you guessed Fiji, you are correct. We are here in Maui Bay along the coral coast of the main island of Viti Levu, and we have an amazing investment property. If you're thinking, hey, I'd love to buy a property overseas, I don't want to spend a tremendous amount of money, I just want a place to get away with my family or my friends or holidays, or I want some rental income, check this out, play this video back. Comes with the barbecue, full decking right here. I'm gonna walk down to the side here. So this has two sides to it. It actually used to be two villas, and they've combined it into one home. But look at this. You have villa views on both sides of the house. Hello, look at that. And there is some incredible surfing around here. We're close to Hideaway Resort. Really amazing surfing. Also out at Frigates that way. And look at this. Look at those beautiful orange flowers right there. Flame trees, they call them. Look at that. If you loved outdoors and nature, this thing is a no-brainer. It's amazing. Look at this natural jungle right here. You're living in the middle of it. So steel construction, 3-bed, 2-bath, split, 1 bed, 1 bath on one side, which is to the right, we're going to show you, and then 2 bedrooms, 1 bath on the other side. So let's take a walk around. Very pet friendly area, so if you either want to bring an animal, we can help you with that, going through biosecurity, or we can help you get here with PASH or Animals Fiji or one of the other great organizations here where you can adopt your own Fijian pet. So check this out, nice interior louvers. The great thing about being on the Coral Coast, constant, gorgeous, incredible breezes. You can get flowers like this, these nice red and pink gingers, birds of paradise here. These are not fake, these are real. They grow here. You can literally grab them, pick them in your yard or off the side of the road. Part of the joys of Fiji. Here is one side, had its own laundry, toilet, shower stall. Look at this really cute mirror. I got to show you this. Look at that with the shells. So cute. All right, so this is bedroom 1 in the corner. All this greenery. You can see the palm trees, rain tree right here. And it has the curtains, the glass louvers, which are great because it keeps in all that natural light that you want, but still provides the privacy with the curtains. So best of both worlds. So this is just one part of the home. Full kitchen over here. You see that gas burner stovetop with the oven. Hisense fridge, lots of storage, the ceiling fans. This is a really cute area coming into the home. Nice desk setup, and of course she has all her family photos in there. And as we say here, how do I start my videos? Boola! That's right. And we have Ryan, our driver, and you want to come to Fiji, you're probably going to meet Ryan with Tours by Locals Fiji. Incredible. He can pick up and deliver for you, take your family and your friends and your guests to properties all over the main island of Viti Levu. Fresh fish delivery that's caught in the morning. Fruits and vegetables from a Singatoka Valley. You name it, we can make it happen for you. Here is the second side. Sink, fridge. There used to be a large scale fridge here as well. She decided just to put the smaller fridge on this side. You see all this incredible art, by the way. If you're going to pause, all this art is done by the owner. So if you do want to have any commissioned pieces, or if you love some of this art, I bet you we can get her to maybe include some of these with the purchase. So here's bedroom 1 on this side. I'll show you another one of our art pieces. Look at this. So this is bedroom 1. Here is the second bathroom, great shower stall, and again, laundry on both sides. So if you want to split this up back into 2 units, super easy to do so. We'll explain how that works and get you all set up here. If you need the hotel license, you're not sure how to put things on Airbnb or all the short-term rental sites, we're going to help you with all of that because that's who we are here at Professionals FIJI Real Estate. And you're going to want to go to our website to learn more about this listing. at professionalsfiji.com or call us at +679-999-2051, and you and your family can have this as an investment, as a rental property, as a holiday home, or maybe you want to live here full time and check out these ocean views and do some world-class surfing, scuba diving, or fishing, or just read a book, grab a glass of wine, or maybe some Fijian rum and enjoy these beautiful tropical breezes. So as we say in Fiji, Vinaka Vakalevu, thank you so much. Mode, which means we'll see you soon, and Sotatale, we'll see you very, very soon. Vinaka! Check out these amazing views. I am so stoked about this incredible new listing that we have in Maui Bay on the main island of Fiji, called Viti Levu, of the 333 islands that we have. This is in Maui Bay, 3-bed, 2-bath, amazing opportunity for rental income, for holiday home, or maybe you want to come here full time. You got to check this out. Super cute, fully furnished, ready to go. Find out more, go to professionalsfiji.com. Call us at +679-999-2051. This thing is super cool. Wraparound decks, jungle views here, beautiful flame tree flowers, and of course, the ocean views. We'll see you here soon. Vinaka!